Click the professional dashboard. Click the affiliate partnerships. Then, ito yung mga product na pwede mong i-post. Yan, mamili ka lang. Mas maganda kung gawan nyo siya ng video. Try natin to. Then, copy link. Click create post. Ayan, pwedeng reels or post na pictures. Then, paste na natin yung link. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng caption. Then, click na natin yung next. And the last one, click to add a paid partnership label. I-on lang natin to, guys. And that's all, ready to post. Thank you for watching.